Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Let's learn the names of the body parts. Face, chehra. Head, sar. Hair, bal. Eyes, aankheं. Eyebrow, paunve. Nose, naak. Lips, hont, ear, kaan. Forehead, matha. Cheeks, rukhsar. Chin, dori. Mouth, muh. Arm, bazu. Shoulder, kanda. Elbow, kuhni. Tummy, pet. Knee, घुटना. Legs, टांगे. Feet, पाँव. Finger, उंगली. Thumb, अंगूठा. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.